Welcome to Blue Team Defensive Security. Every organization is under constant attack, and the people who defend them are called the Blue Team. In this video, you'll learn what blue teaming means, how modern cyber warfare works, and how defenders protect the digital world. Blue teaming is the defensive side of cybersecurity. Blue teams act as a digital military defense force, protecting systems, networks, and data. Their responsibilities include monitoring networks, detecting suspicious activity, responding to incidents, and strengthening defenses over time. Modern cyber warfare is real and involves highly organized, sophisticated, and financially motivated attacks. Cybercrime is a national security issue. Attackers include cybercriminal gangs, nation-state actors, and insider threats, targeting critical infrastructure, governments, and individuals. At stake are business continuity, customer data, financial stability, and human safety. Attackers are constantly evolving, using advanced techniques to bypass traditional security tools. Defenders must think like attackers. Modern threats include fileless malware, AI-generated phishing, and zero-day exploits. The goal is no longer just prevention, but also effective detection and rapid response when prevention fails. Protecting large, complex infrastructures requires a layered security strategy, known as defense in depth. This means if one security layer fails, another is still in place to protect the organization. Real security comes from a combination of protective measures, not a single tool. Modern enterprise defense is a team effort. Key blue team roles include the society analyst, who monitors and responds to real-time incidents, and the threat hunter, who proactively searches for hidden attackers. The incident responder handles active attacks, and the detection engineer builds rules to catch threats earlier. The DFIR specialist investigates breaches and reconstructs attacker behavior. Organizations face attacks every single day, and speed matters in cybersecurity. The faster defenders detect attackers, the smaller the damage becomes. Common threats include phishing and credential theft, ransomware and data breaches, cloud misconfigurations and supply chain exploits, and web application and insider threats. Attackers are extremely patient, often remaining hidden for weeks or months. This is called dwell time. During this time, they steal credentials, escalate privileges, and collect sensitive data while avoiding detection. The focus shifts from stopping every attack to quickly detecting and responding when attackers get in. Your mission as a defender is critical. You protect businesses, critical infrastructure, financial systems, and human safety. Cybersecurity is a career where your skills directly prevent massive real-world damage. With 3.5 million unfilled jobs and an annual projected cost of cybercrime at $10.5 trillion, skilled defenders are needed 24/7. Blue teaming is about thinking defensively. We will cover foundational concepts to advanced enterprise defensive security operations. This includes understanding the threat, building skills in detection and response, and applying knowledge to protect organizations. Whether your goal is a society analyst or DFIR expert, this journey starts right here.